Kelly, ready?
Hey, Kate,
No,
don't
you
do
ready?
that, man. I'm telling you.
Okay.
No.
So how do you feel about Idris' chances this fight? No, come
Stop.
on, man. This is serious.
Stop, man.
I'm helping
Stop,
you out.
man.
Look, okay,
Do
ready?
video together.
One,
Stuff others
All right.
two, three.
So do you want him to ask me
Yes,
questions?
I'm gonna ask you the questions. It's gonna be easier. Look, ready? One, two, three. What's your name, sir?
I'm Kevin Small.
What's
one
your
of the-
relations to Idris?
So I'm going to be Idris's cut man in the fight. I was with him in camp, when he first got back to America, and he started working hard. He was a little bit under the weather when he first got here, but now he's gotten better. He's training hard. He's working hard. He's been doing everything that we've been asking him to do, and so I think he's ready for the task.
What are his chances in your eyes?
I think he has a great chance. To be honest, Idris is a grown man. He's strong. You know what I mean? He's experienced. He's 16-0 with 11 knockouts. I think he brings a lot to the table. So I think that he has a great chance of winning this title.
So you pointed something out there, Barry. Are you guys worried about the age difference between him and Morale?
No, I think that with the age, I think it gives Idris a little more advantage because, he is a grown man. He brings grown man strength to the fight. He got heart. He's got determination. And for Morrell, I think he's young and he's hungry, but at the same time, can he weather the storm that Idris is going to bring? So I think it's going to be a good fight, but, may the best man win. I really believe that we got a good chance of winning this fight.
So
Possibly by knockout, too.
Suleiman Promotion, brought Idris over here, with the vision of winning. You know what I mean? And how do you feel that what Suleiman Promotion has done to get Idris to this position right now?
I think Suleiman is doing a great job with all of their fighters, actually, to be honest with you. I've watched some of their talent, and they have great talent that they're bringing over here, man, and they're the ones to watch out for, man. I think that they're the ones to watch, man. A lot of those young guys they got, including Idris, man, they really bringing it.
So do you feel like there's a new wave going through from, watching from Gennady Golovkin coming through now? You have the Johnny Becks, you have the Daniels, now you have Suleiman Promotion bringing their guys out. Do you feel like this is a new thing that Kazakhstan is bringing now, that they're bringing a new wave to America and bringing that Kazakhstan boxing now, which started with Gennady Golovkin, and now here comes this new group?
Definitely. So this is the new era of boxing for Kazakhstan. Like I say, all the young guys they brought over, they actually are like young lions. All the ones that I've seen, from Suleiman, they're young lions. They all have heart. They can punch. They all got skills. It's just they bring the whole package with all of those guys. So I think they are the new era of the Kazakhstan fighters.
So our last question here is, Suleiman Promotion came to America with a group of young men, former Olympians, former world champions, medalists. So now they just had 3 fights on the zone 2 weeks ago in Mexico, which were outstanding: Abraham, Batir, and Pablo. Right. And now they have one left, their brother, Han. You've been in the gym with Han. How do you feel about Han, his likelihood of, coming back to America after he's fought on a PBC card before? How do you feel he's going to look this time?
Han is outstanding. I think he has the potential to become a world champion early. He's a great boxer. He has power. He's definitely promising. Out of all of them, he's one of the top ones, man. That I've seen. You know what I'm saying? I've worked with him. I've done pads with him. I've watched him spar. I've worked his corner, and he is definitely the one to watch out for.
How do you see his IQ as being a European boxer coming to America? Has he been able to adapt to it?
Yes. To be honest, he has a better IQ than a lot of the American fighters that I've been around. You know what I'm saying? And then he's a southpaw, real slick. He can punch, like I say. He has great IQ, great defense, great offense. Everything about him. He's just a full package.
And so, you guys worked with him in camp. How did you feel his transition was, working alongside you guys and not being around his regular coaching staff, which is, comes with Kazakh boxing? How did he transition to the American boxing?
He's a sponge, right? And so with him, you can tell him something and he'll do it He listens. He'll try it. He's very humble. He works hard. He actually works extremely harder than a lot of fighters I've known. He does extra things, and it's just like, I was impressed with his whole drive and his determination to work.
So you're saying basically Suleiman Promotion is basically starting off the program and also ending off the program
Yes.
with a bang.
Yes, they are definitely bringing fighters here that, hey, maybe all of them could end up being world champions, to be honest.
So
You know what I mean?
Saturday night is basically going to be a Suleiman Promotion fight, not a PBC fight. From Han and then going to Idas at the end.
Yeah, I think that yes.
That sums it up.
Yes, that sums it up.
Thanks so much, Coach Kevin.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Bill.
Yes, sir.